Hello Paperlovers, welcome to a new YouTube video for Bramble Fox. It's Josephine here with another process video, and of course I use beautiful perspectives in this video, but also this gorgeous stencil, the Foxcat 29. And I love the circle shape of the stencil. I think these are color wheels, and I decided to make mixed media background with the stencil, a pink mixed media background, and I use four colors of distress oxide, pink distress oxide. And I start with the lights color, distress oxide, the spoon sugar, and apply the distress oxide with my blending brush on my background. And when I'm done with the spoon sugar, I choose for the worn lipstick and I blend these colors together with the stencil, and I love the effect of it. I love to blend all the distress oxide colors that I selected for this layout, for this pink layout. And the worn lipstick and the pickled raspberry are a perfect match to blend with each other, and I love the effects of this blending. I'm very happy with the result. Here I use a clear stamp background that already looks like a stain, and I apply the ink on my background stamp and mix it with a little bit of water and stamp several times on my background. And so I created a watercolor background on top of my um, stenciling. And if you don't have a background stamp that looks like a stain or a splatter, you can use a piece of plastic as well. You apply the ink on a piece of plastic, mix it with a little bit of water, and with the plastic you apply the ink on your background, and you can create a watercolor background as well with a piece of plastic. So that calls the packing technique, and it's an easy way to make a mixed media background. Here I split a little bit with the distress oxide, and I use a second color for for some extra splatters, for some extra pink color, and I use a shimmer paint. Shimmer paint. The color is Sweetheart, and I love how this pink color matched with the distress oxides. And when my mixed media background is dry, I stitch two circles with dark pink sewing threads, and I apply some stamps from the Bramble Fox stamp set on my background and use the distress color worn lipstick. And now it's time to decorate my scrapbook page further with a photo from me and my daughter from last year, from Easter. And I think this photo is perfect, matched perfect with the Adore You perspective, and the perspective candy hearts. I love these cute little perspective candy hearts, and I am so happy I can use these perspectives with a great kit. And the kit that I use is from the Hip Kit Club kit from the January 21 from last year. And I punched out some circles from the design paper from the kit, and I use a 1-inch circle punch, and I fold the circles in half and apply. If I uh, place them on top of my mixed media background, and when all the circles are in place, I stitch them with my sewing thread, and then we decorate my page further with all the gorgeous embellishments from the Hip Kit Club kit. But first, I glue my photo to a piece of design paper and tear the edges from the design paper, and using some 3D foam, and place my photo in the center of my scrapbook layout. And then I decorate my page further with all the gorgeous embellishments. But first, I start with the gorgeous Perspectives title Adore You, and I use glossy accent to glue my perspectives on my layout. I love all these gorgeous chipboard elements from the Hip Kit Club kits from the January last year. It's just look so girly and perfect match with the Perspectives title and the Perspectives cute little candy heart. The puffy heart stickers, I applied them around my mixed media background, and I love puffy stickers. I love to use puffy stickers on my layout, and these hearts are so cute. I love these cute little hearts on my page. So for now, I apply some few more stamps at my background and use the color Kitsch Flamingo, and I stamp several words on my background from the Bramble Fox stamp set, and I love the effect of the light pink words on my background. It's time for my signature, and my signature are the white splatters on my scrapbook pages or on my scrapbook projects. And I love the effect of white splatters. You never go wrong with some white splatters. If you made a winter page, it looks very frosty. If you make a festive page, it looks very festive. So I'm a big fan of white splatters, and I made some white splatters on this layout as well. So I had a lot of fun creating this scrapbook layout for Bramble Fox using the gorgeous stencil Foxcut 29 and of course the gorgeous Perspectives, Adore You title, and the cute little pink candy hearts. So I hope I inspire you with this scrapbook page, and don't forget to check the Bramble Fox Facebook group for more beautiful inspiration and see what for fun things you can do with these gorgeous perspectives. And of course, I want to thank you for watching my video on the YouTube channel, and I hope to see you next time for another process video. For now, I wish you a beautiful and crafty day, friends. Bye bye.